Actually one of the tools for the demo.
Okay.
What we're actually demoing is that on any of these devices, including this Toughbook, you can take content from it and display it right on the television. So, for example, if I'm browsing the web on my pad,
right.
you know, I'm on Google right now. I can take Google, I just hold it, throw it up to the TV, and it appears right on screen.
Nice.
So it's pretty cool. And then what happens is this screen will appear on the tablet, and it kind of acts like the mouse pad on your, your PC.
Right.
So now I can, I can navigate, I can search. When I, tap the search field, instinctively the keyboard will pop up. Exactly. So let's say I want to search Panasonic. Panasonic, and then all I have to do is let's see, it's not. I'm learning about this myself, but what it should do, what's happening is it wants me to do it through this way here.
Oh, okay.
So I'll hit done. And now it's up there. So for some reason, I want me to go through that way, and then I can select, our Panasonic website,
right.
Or again, I can exit out of this completely, and I can just go to an existing website. Right now, I went to Panasonic.
Okay.
I can bring it up through here, and again, I can throw that on the screen.
Nice.
What else is really cool though is that if you have, on your PC, you have things stored like your photos, your videos. You can go to that content, and if I go to say, image, and I have a picture of, we'll say barbecue at Ted's. Boom, throw it up there, and there's Ted's Barbecue right on the screen.
Nice.
So it's really cool. And then as I can go back out here and I can select different photos. Maybe I want to go to the Mayflower, in Boston. So I just select that, throw it up, and that will appear.
How about a gallery mode, like if you can go forward and backward?
That's actually what it was doing. When you can have it play the gallery mode kind of as it goes on its own. If I skip through different photos, though, it's not going to do that, but I kind of like that, and here's the reason. Let's say I'm showing my family some photos, and maybe I was out drinking one night, and there's a few photos I don't want them to see. I can just skip right past those one and say, oh yeah, by the way, here's me and, Leslie at the Gardens of yada yada yada. Obviously, that's not me, I'm not that good looking, but you get the idea. So it's pretty cool. The other interesting thing, though, is that if I get out of this completely, okay, then my cursor, hit exit, now I'm back to the TV, and obviously we're showing content, maybe you're watching some television. This acts as the remote as well. This is a remote app, so I can actually, I can control, say, Viera tools. This is a function of the television itself. And I can go into Viera Connect, which is our cloud-based system where you can access apps, but also this year, browse the web as well, which is really cool. And if you go up to the web browser, and maybe there's something on the web. Did I show you guys this ability yet?
No, you haven't.
So, I've done this so many times. So if I go to Google, again, what I can now do is, you can see there's nothing on the pad, but I can take from the TV and put Google onto the pad, which is kind of cool, because maybe I'm searching for something, maybe I'm going out and I'm looking for a restaurant. Hey, I found the restaurant, now I want to browse their menu. My wife's yelling at me because I'm always late and we're going to miss our reservations, so I bring it with me and I can look at the menu on the way to the restaurant.
Nice.
Really cool. Really cool. You guys want to try it?
Is the Toughbook only being marketed as like a companion for the Smart Connect TV, or?
Currently, this Toughbook is only available business to business. It's not available to the consumer market as of yet. Eventually, we will probably have it out for the consumer market.
Okay.
But any of these devices can also access it. So, I'll go back to this remote app here. And you can access it right on any of these devices.
So even Android smartphones can do it? Is that more just like a remote feature, or can you do all the same stuff you do on those?
Anything I did here, you can also do on those devices. Nice. And it supports Android, and it also is supported by iOS.
Cool. And that's the Panasonic Toughbook with their Viera Smart TVs. Thank you.
Absolutely.